Hey, you going guys, just want to give a quick video tutorial on how to do a factory reset on our Vhedia G series head unit. So two methods. You can do one with an update. So that involves, we have another YouTube video for our firmware update, which we'll link below. But as you can see, if I've got a USB stick with a firmware update on it, I can plug it into the unit. If I wait a second, we'll see on the screen, we should get a pop-up. There we go, upgrade file detected. You can also hit clear all, and then when you hit yes, it's going to do a full firmware update, and it's also going to factory reset the head unit. So that's the first option. I'm going to click no for now. Second option, come into settings, scroll down into system, and the option is here, restore factory settings, and you can hit OK, and it's going to do that. So if you're having some serious issues with the software, and there's anything that you need, or you just need to do a factory reset to fix any issues, especially if we've recommended them to you, then this is how you do it. So let us know if you have any issues with this method, and we'll be happy to help you. We've got our live chat on our website, that's vhedia.com.au, and we've got our phones and emails to support you as well. Also, our contact details listed on our website. So let us know guys, cheers.